we want to deal with this question. If 37 sine theta plus 35 is equal to 0 and tan theta is greater than 0 or is positive, determine with the use of a diagram the value of this expression. The first step here is to rearrange this expression. Sine theta is equal to 35 goes to the other side is negative, then divide by 37, you have this. And remember that this is opposite over hypotenuse. Sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, and we are given this condition: tan theta is greater than 0 or it is positive, with the use of a diagram. So we need to draw that diagram. Now, how do we draw the diagram? We need to decide the quadrant where we put this diagram. We have two things here. Number one, sine theta is negative. Number two, tan theta is positive. So we want a quadrant here where sine theta is negative and tan theta is positive. This is our cast diagram. All of them are positive. Sine is positive, cos and tan are negative. Tan is positive, sine and cos are negative. Cos is positive, but sine and tan are negative. Now, tan is positive in the first and the third quadrant. We cannot draw it here because we want where sine is negative. So we can draw it here. Tan is positive, but sine is negative here. Let's look at our diagram. All right, here is our diagram here. We said sine theta is negative 35 over 37, opposite over hypotenuse, right? Now, if this is our theta, this is our theta here, this is the hypotenuse, that is 37. Opposite is negative 37. Remember, this is the positive part of y, and this is the negative part of y. So this has to be negative. Now, the moment you have two sides, we need to determine the third side using Pythagoras theorem. This is x, so it's x is equal to square root of 37 squared minus negative 35 squared, right? And this is going to give you 12. But this is the positive side of x, and this is the negative side of x. So our x here has to be negative. Remember, there's a positive or negative sign here. So this is negative 12. We now have a complete diagram. We need to determine the value of this expression. There is sec theta, there is cot theta. Remember, sec theta comes from 1 over, okay, it's the same as cos theta, and then cot theta is also equal to 1 over tan theta. So we need to determine these ones, né? So cos theta is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse, that's negative 12 over 37, and then tan theta is opposite over adjacent, that is negative 35 over negative 12, which is positive. Negative divide by negative there. And then coming to this one, all right, this one, if cos theta is equal to that, sec theta will be negative 37 over 12, and this one also will be equal to 12 over 35, right? Remember, it's 1 over cos theta. If cos theta is equal to that, then 1 over cos theta will be equal to this. Okay, and if tan theta is equal to this, 1 over tan theta then will be equal to that. Now, coming back to our expression, 24 sec theta, we said is equal to this. Sec theta is equal to this, negative 37 over 12 minus 70, and then cot theta is this one, 12 over 35, right? 12 ones, 12 here, 2, 35 ones, 35 here, 2. So it's 2 times this it's negative 70, 74, and this is 2 times that is minus 24. So this is going to be equal to what? Negative 98. This is how we do it. Enjoy.